This fish is at least 15 years old, and it weighs over 100 pounds. My dive buddy launched a spear into its head, but its skull was so thick the spear didn't go all the way through, hence this backup shot. We gave it to the local islanders, and not one piece of the meat went to waste. But let me tell you what would have happened if my buddy didn't get a headshot. These fish are incredibly powerful, and when you don't get a headshot, like this, they immediately swim for cover on the bottom of the ocean, and inevitably get tangled up down there, which would be fine except for one thing. The currents in Indonesia are unbelievably strong, and swimming against the current is as fruitless as a bug trying to swim against the flush of a toilet. And so, when this happens, best case scenario, it takes you forever to untangle the line. Worst case, you lose all of your expensive gear. And so, when I saw this school of giant trevallies, I knew I needed to place a headshot or else. Bullseye. People often say that these fish aren't very tasty, but I'm pretty sure that's just because they've never grilled it Balinese style on the beach at sunset.